Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Payoneer account. So if you also want to create Payoneer account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, you'll have to launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.payoneer.com, press enter. In order to create the account, you can either click on the open your account or register. You can see over here I'm clicking on the register option. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You will have to choose the right Payoneer account type. You can see the options over here: freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, individual. You can select the option of your choice. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now again you'll have to select the best option that describes you. You can see the options over here. Select the option that is suitable for you. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now click on the option register. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official sign up page. In order to create the account, you'll have to follow 4 steps. They are getting started, contact details, security details, and almost done. You can see the first question over here: is your business registered with any government, business licensing, or tax authority? If yes, click on the yes option. If no, click on the no option. Now scroll down. Now you'll have to fill up these informations right over here. First of all, enter your first name. Click on the first name box. Now enter your first name. Now enter your last name. After that, you'll have to provide your email address. Now re-enter your email address. After that, you'll have to select your date of birth. First of all, select the month by clicking on this month. You can see the options over here. Now select the year. You can also select the day. Now click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the second phase for creating your account. Now you'll have to select your country over here. Click on the country box. Now select your country. You can see several options over here. Select your country. Now enter your street and number. Now you'll also have to provide more address details. This is optional, so you can skip it. Now also enter your city or town. You'll also have to enter your zip code. Now enter your mobile number. You can see your country code over here. Click on the option send code. Now you will get the code in your mobile number. All you have to do is enter that code over here. Click on the verification code box. Now click on the next option. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll have to fill in your security details. You'll have to enter your password. Make sure to create a very strong password. It must contain at least 7 characters and include at least 1 Latin alphabetic and 1 numeric. Now re-enter your password. Make sure these 2 password matches. Now you'll have to select a security question. Click on this box right over here. Now select the question that you want to answer. Now enter the security answer. Now you can see over here you'll need to provide your social security number. Providing social security number is very important in order to create your account. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to provide your account details. Scroll down. First of all, you'll have to select your bank name. You can see various options over here. Select your bank. Now enter your account number. Click on the account number box. Enter your account number. Now enter your routing number. You can see over here, routing number should be exactly 9 digits. Now you'll also have to choose your account type. Now scroll down. Now you'll have to check these boxes. I agree to the terms and conditions and privacy and cookie policy. Check this box. Now also check the box I agree to the pricing and fees. After that, you can see over here submit option will be activated. All you have to do is click on it. After you click on the submit option, your account will be created. So that is how you create Payoneer account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.